So today I'm gonna be showing you what's in my travel makeup bag, everything that I take with me whenever I'm traveling for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even 4 weeks, it doesn't really matter. These are my makeup essentials that I absolutely love to take with me to create my kind of a natural but not so natural makeup look. For my foundation, I have The Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation that it's a medium coverage, it's dewy finish, and I really enjoy for that natural look. And I also apply it with my beauty blender. I mean, this one is from Real Techniques, but it's kind of all the same. The fun thing about this one is I also have like a case, travel case from a brand beauty blender, I know. I truly enjoy beauty sponges and how natural they make everything look. To set the foundation, I use the finishing powder from Charlotte Tilbury that I really enjoy. You can see that I hit pan already. And then for the brush, this one is from Zoeva. It's supposed to be a highlighter brush, but I use it all over my face with this powder. It's tiny, so I can also use it under my eyes and also to set my eye primer with a neutral eyeshadow. So it's a multitasking brush for me. Then I also take my bronzer with me. This one is from The Body Shop. I think it's a honey bronze collection and I really enjoy it. This is the second one that I have, so it's brand new. And then I also have my blush, Hot Mama from The Balm, that I really enjoy. This one is a travel size, which I love because it takes forever to use a product anyway. And for the both of them, I just use a kabuki brush from The Body Shop that works great. As for my eyes go, I start with an eye primer because it extends the wear of my eyeshadow. And then I also have like a small eyeshadow palette. Sometimes I take this with me, sometimes I don't. It depends where I'm going. But this one from Urban Decay, Naked Basics, it's really a favorite of mine. It's matte, it's great for no makeup look, and I just really enjoy it. And as far as the brushes go, I just have two. Both are from Zoeva. One is to use in my crease and the other one is a bit more precise, so if I want to apply a darker color in my crease, I can do that as well. Then I also take with me some kind of an eye pencil to make my eyes stand out even more. And I also never leave the house without an inner corner highlight. I'm so used to this. I love it so much. This one is from Zoeva. And then I also have a mascara, which is obviously a staple in everyone's makeup collection. For my eyebrows, I use only one product and it's this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's an eyebrow gel. I personally don't love the dip brow gel version, which is what this one is, but any kind of brow gel that it's tinted I really enjoy. And then as far as lips go, I usually take one nude lip pencil with me to extend the wear of my lipsticks, and then I also take one nude version of a lipstick and then also some kind of a color. This is not, again, everything that I take with me all of the time. If I'm just going on a holiday, one lipstick is enough. I don't need 3, but if I'm traveling somewhere where I need to be a little bit more presentable or I'm doing a little bit more work, this is what I usually pack with me. So this is my travel makeup bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.